Welcome to the New York Stock Exchange.
Financial district at the tip of Manhattan is easily.
What up guys, welcome back to my channel Newbie Money. If you guys are new to this channel, I'm a new day trader who's trying to become a profitable day trader, and I'm just documenting the whole process on YouTube and just showing what I'm doing, what I'm feeling, what I'm trading, where I'm messing up, and where hopefully I'm doing good too. But yeah, so today was a red day. We had $134 down. Since I lowered my share size yesterday, my max loss has been $100 compared to that $250 max loss I had. But $34 over my max loss while I've lowered it, it's fine. Compared to yesterday's gain too, I'm still okay with it. But yeah, let's go check out what we did. So on my watch list this morning, I had two stocks. Of course, I had FUBO because I still think it's gonna have that bounce, but today it was a little bit weird. So I was expecting a little bit of continuation, maybe open up around 29.20, or like just at least more above what it closed previously, then go up past the day high of yesterday, which was 30.77, maybe end up at 31.32. That's what I was thinking. I had $100, so I had 100 shares swinging. And when I woke up and I was in the pre-market, let's go at the pre-market here. I was like up $200 at this point, so I was like, okay, cool. Then I saw this thing going down a little bit more, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna add 25 here, 25 here, and I had saw this huge dump. Then I added 50 here. No, I added 100 here actually. Then when it went up and it was kind of looking weak here, I was like, ooh, this might just go reverse on me. And I was getting a bit of that PTSD that I had on last week, where I was just holding on to my losers for way too long. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna shed 100 or 120 shares, which in total I had actually, yeah, so I forgot to mention, I added 50 shares here and 50 shares here. So I think I had around 200 shares here when I shed 100 shares. So at that point, I just kind of didn't like how weak it was looking, so I shed pretty much a lot of it here, and I only had like 100 shares. And when it went down further, I added more here and more here, and at this point, I was down like $80. Then it went up, sold everything. Then I was scaling in a little bit, scaled in here, then it went down even further. Then I bought more here and I got out here, and I think I was down $45 by the end of this. And the reason why I was getting out is because I expected a pullback, then it just for it to go back up where it opened and continue, but it just looked weak and just kept going down and down. And yes, it did go up 13% at one point, 20% yesterday, so maybe it was just too big of an initial jump right away, that I just need to do a little bit of going down and just kind of work this magic and kind of consolidate. Just needed a consolidation day. But on the daily charts, I really don't like these two setups, two daily charts right here. It doesn't look like it could be anyone's game right now. Is it gonna go up? Is it gonna go down more? So for that, I'm gonna be out. So I'm gonna leave that. Next I traded is RIOT, and this one showed a lot of potential. So the reason why I had RIOT on my watch list is because Bitcoin is so overextended right now. It's 35K. It might go maybe 40K, but it looks like it's still pretty, like at one point it needs to have a pretty decent pullback, you know, anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 pullback would be nice. But so I was like, okay, if Bitcoin pulls back, where can I enter? And I was looking at so over here, let's see if this shows actually. Nice. So this candle over here had a high of 21.44. This one had a high of 2039. Sorry, is it 2039? 2048. So I was like, okay, maybe one of these points is gonna pull back. So that was the entry I was trying to look at. Then went back to the charts, and I was trying to get in around these 2070. I was like, the fact that it pulled back from the 2040, maybe now it's gonna go all the way up to maybe 2115. Maybe I could short even 2090 as like a starter, but it just started going down without me, and I just left it. Then in here I tried to short it, thinking that it was just gonna curl over. Then that didn't work out, and I lost I think $80 more. Then I shorted here and covered here, and I think that brought me to only being down maybe 30 bucks. Then me was trying to add more of the short position here, then that brought me back up to being $134 down. So I was, if you look here, let me just draw some lines. So this is the range we're working with right now. At that point, these are the ones, and this one seems to be pretty good too. So over here I was like, you know what, I could short it more, but I just feel a little bit unsafe shorting these stocks that are known to run pretty well near a double or triple top resistance. You know, that could just be, you know, trigger some algo or trigger some people to just like buy shit ton and this quickly jumps like 50 cents or something, right? So if this was like in this setup where it was going up higher and higher and higher, I would feel more comfortable shorting at what I think is the top, because I'm shorting on the front side. This is shorting on the back side in a sense, because it's already tried to go up here, and now it's coming up with a third time. You know, it could get rejected, which what happened here, but it's just not worth the risk. And I was already down $134, and I already made good money yesterday, so I was like, it's okay, I'll come back to live another day. One of also the main reason why I'm kind of avoiding trades where I don't feel comfortable is because I'm noticing that when I have bad red days and I go full tilt is because I just make stupid mistakes like this, and it just kind of triggers me the bad way, and I just slowly it goes from like a performance issue, then it goes to like a revenge trade, then just like a desperate trade. Like, so I don't want to get there. Fuck it, I already have, I'm down $134. I'm okay with that. I can easily sleep. I actually had like a 5 hours beautiful sleep, so I don't have to worry about that. One more thing to add to this is I was kind of looking at it when I woke up, how I would be able to short this. So in here, yeah, that could have been a good short. I could have gone lower, but I would have been faked out here. It consolidated a long way sideways before it really went down. Then when it went down, it's already back up. So, you know, best case scenario, tomorrow I'll have a better chance to short this. So we'll see. And I'm going to be looking at the mark I had on the daily chart, which were way back in 2017. Whoa. Let's see what's going on. What's going on here? Okay. So maybe I'm going to look at this candle right now. Whoa. Settle down. Okay, it doesn't want to play nice. So this one has a high of 2208. So maybe we can start shorting around there. Because like that does, like, you know, looks in November. This guy was $3, $3.50, and now it's almost 20 bucks. This will have an epic dump, and I'm gonna try my best to be a part of it. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I'm just trying to take it slow, not do something that will lead me to get triggered to make more bad decision, because I'm really noticing that it's not the market's fault when I mess up. It's 100% my fault, And I know that sounds you know, just pretty obvious, but it's not obvious when you are in that day trading zone, or just any investment zone or any tilt zone. You're just going to be like, oh, I need to come back out of it as a performance issue, and that performance issue goes to a revenge. That revenge goes to like a very desperate, very sad day trading, where you're just like, oh, if I triple down, if I quadruple down, I'm gonna go even. I'm gonna make this money back. But then you just are losing 4 times more than you could afford, right? So it's not worth it. But yeah, guys, that's going to be the video for today. I hope you guys had an awesome day. I hope you guys are out making money and it's going well for you. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, okay? See you guys.